Today we are going to start exercise 5.2 and the topic is arithmetic progression using what? The formula of general term. Can you see the table? Yes, here it is. We have the different values given for A, D, N in each and every column. We have to find the respective missing values. So let's start from the first question. The first question is given as A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3 and number of terms is given as 8. We have to find A n. So let's write the formula. Question number 1, exercise 5.2. The first part of the question, it is given as A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. We have to find out an, that is the number. What is the number of terms here in terms of AP? So write down the general term. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So the value of A is 7 plus, we have to find, see 8 is given, so we have to find the 8th term. So 7 plus 8 minus 1, and what is the value of D? 3. Simply we are putting the value. So 7 plus 8 minus 1, it is 7 into 3. We will use the biomass process for solving this. First I will multiply it. So 7 plus 7 3 is 21. So it will be 28. Clear? So by this way the value of A8 is what? 28. So we have to put the value and we have to find the answer accordingly, whatever our need. Now same way you will see here the first term is given as minus 18, D is not given there, the number of terms is given and the An is totally given as 0. So we will write all the given part. The second question, second part, it is given A is equal to minus 18 as well as N is equal to 10 and An is equal to 0. What you have to find out there? D. Some complex equations will be there, so be careful while solving the equations. No doubt, write down the general term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now the total value of N is given as what? 0. So put here 0. Then the value of A is minus 18 plus N is given 10, to 10 minus 1 into D. What you have to do, simply we have to just transfer minus 18 towards left side. It will be 18 is equal to 9D. Therefore 9 2s are 18. We got the value of D as equal to 2. So by this way we have to follow the procedure and find out the missing term in the general term formula. One more question I will do for you. I am doing fourth one. See, the remaining questions you have to do as an assignment. Fourth question. In fourth question you will observe that the value of A is given, it is 18.9 and the D is given as 2.5. Now here N is not given, that is you have to find out the missing term when the total term is given as 3.6. So let's write down their values. A is equal to minus 18.9. Difference, common difference is given as 2.5 and the total term of AP, that is called as An, is given as 3.6. If we remember the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, so we will find that N is missing out here. So we have to find what? N. So let's write the general term formula first. Please write each and every question this formula. It will revise you to remembering up to the examination. Air is 3.6. A is given as minus 18.9 plus N is not known but D is given as 2.5. Simply what we will do here, we will transfer minus 18.9 towards left side. It will be 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now can you add 3.6 plus 18.9? It is 3.6 and 18.9. It is 22.5 something. So I'll write here 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So I will transfer into 2.5 here in denominator. So it will be 22.5 upon 2.5 is equal to n. So see, the point is in numerator after one digit and in denominator also after one digit. So we can cancel the point very clearly. So we have n is equal to 225 upon 25. 225 nines are 225. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 9. Clear? So by this way, I solved 3 questions. The remaining 2 questions you have to solve as an assignment. Okay, 5.2. It is it is n minus 1. So n minus 1. So actually n is there. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. So minus 1 will move here. N is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. So that is your final answer. Actually we have to write here n minus 1. Because we have just transferred 2.5 from here to here. So n minus 1 is remaining there. As I told you, 25 9s are 225. So minus 1 will transfer towards right side and we will get the value of n is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So clear? So please solve the remaining question as assignment. I am moving for the next question. If you have any kind of doubt, you will ask me. See, it is given here. Choose the correct option from the given. That kind of questions may become for 1 mark. See, 38 term of AP. 38 term. That is, it is the first term, second term, third term. But we don't know what is the 38 term. So our AP is given as 10, 7, 4. Obviously, it is in decreasing order. We all know. So first we will write that is the given AP is continuation. The given AP is 10, 7, 4 and dot dot dot. And what to find? You have to find the 38th term. Now dear students, as I told you that whenever you are observing an AP, first of all, it is our first target that we have to select out whether it is given in ascending order or descending order. Because of that, we will get a clear value of common difference. That is, if it is in descending order, we all know D will be negative. But if it is in ascending order, D will be positive. That we all know. So here our first term is A is equal to 10. What is D? D is second term minus first term. Second term minus first term. So it will be 7 minus 10, that is equal to minus 3. So we got A and we got D. Now we have to find 38th term. Again, we have to use the same general term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we have to find out A30. So A30 means the value of A is 10 here. It is 30 minus 1 because see, it is the value of n. And into D, D is what? Minus 3. So 10 plus 29 into minus 3. So 10 minus, why minus? Because plus into minus, minus. It is minus 87. And what is 10 minus 87? It is minus 77. Just check the calculation I have done for you. Okay, first of all we will multiply, and after multiplying, this plus into minus will become minus because D is the minus here. So 10 minus 87, it is minus 77. One more question is given there. You can see here 11 term of AP. If the AP is given in such a way that minus 3, minus 1 by 2 and 2, we have to find the 11 term. Same question is there. So first of all, again we will write the given AP. The given AP is, what is the given AP here? It is minus 3, then minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. See, it is one of our relaxation that whenever the AP is given, you will get hardly 3 terms. At least to confirm yourself, that is subtracting from first term from second term, third term from second term from third term. So we have to find the 11th term, that is we have to find A11. Once again, the same procedure we have to use, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find A11. So it is first term is minus 3, as we all know. 11 minus, what is d now? That is the question. So d is what? Second term minus first term. So what is second term? It is minus 1 by 2 minus first term is minus 3. So can we write here minus 1 by 2 plus 3. So LCM 2 3 are 6, minus 1 plus 6 upon 2. It will be 5 upon 2. I have solved for you. Okay, you just do it. Now A11 is equal to minus 3 plus, put here the value of d as 5 by 2. So it is 10 into 5 by 2. Now see, we have chance to cancel 10 by 2. The 2 5s are 10. So it is minus 3 plus 25, and our 11th term will be 25 minus 3, it is 22. Option number B. Clear? So by this way we solved a same pattern of question, that is in first question here in 5.1 it was given the different values and one of the missing term. This type of question also we will get for 1 mark, and in second segment we have to find the number of terms on the basis of given arithmetic progression. So after that the next coming questions will be given to you in my next segment. So whatever the questions I have left here, please try as an assignment, and we will start from question number 3 in our next segment. Okay, bye.